the front's going to come down about a foot, rear's going to come up. Hard driver. 2 feet? Yeah, hard driver. Yeah. It's come up now up here, the front. There you go. Easy. It's not terrible. You're gonna have to, you're on your spring, you're on your shackle in the front. I don't think you can come forward. Forward driver? Yeah. Yeah, it could happen. Yeah, alright, hold on. Go passenger reverse. Yeah, if you have to climb the hill, it's just to the right of that foot. Got it. Yeah, you're going to put some traction here in the front. You're on your anti-rack, but you might be able to pivot off of it.
That was the one. That was the one.
Passenger forward. Our passenger. Watch back. Yeah. Okay. All the way down there. That seems solid. All right.
That's your bumper.
Yeah. That's the shackle. Hold on. I want to beg your free. You can drive her back up a little bit. Ride your shackle hard. I want to get your nose over just a little bit. Oh, beautiful. All right, hard passenger. You probably missed that rock altogether. And then if you want to try and come up and out just from the right side, left side of that little tree. All right, you're going to climb that rock.
Okay. Oh.
Beautiful.
Front diff, back diff, never mind. Woohoo! Nice.
You got it. You're already at the top. Exactly the way we had it planned.
Without a hitch. A little bit of point of view wheeling. I can't tell how this is going to turn out. I watch these point of view wheeling things and I never think they're that great, but people have been asking for point of view and views of my truck. Well, I've got some wheeling shots of everyone else. I hope that I can get someone to take my camera today and get a little bit of me for the third geners out there. Something good and cool so you can see some awesome rock crawling. It's so hard to hard to translate how hard you hit. Well, you hit hard enough, knock the camera out of the thing. It's just hard to translate how the trail is going when, I don't know, it just doesn't look like much to me. So I'll quit telling you that I don't think this looks cool and just do some more of it. We're just basically on an access part of one of the trails to get to some more rocks here. So let's see a little bit more for some rocks. Watch the buddies go. I don't have a mount for this, so I just kind of shove my phone up in the windshield and see how this works. I bought that GoPro type camera thing. I don't enjoy it near as much as my phone. It was cheap. I should have got an expensive one. I could maybe do something cooler with it, but regardless. I don't know how this will work. I'll have to lean forward. Don't stop this, I'm stuck. Okay, a little diff dragger there, but I'm off of it. I just needed both hands to work the shifter. Try and get someone to film me up here. There's some really tough stuff up here. I'm hoping this is helping out, showing something, some awesomeness of the wheeling that's out here at Flat Nasty Park and the awesomeness of how well these third gens go. I'm not going to do too much more of this as it's coming up on some tougher stuff, but we'll try to get some more of me. I got some videos of the other guys, so we're going to get to see some wheeling from here regardless. I'm next. This looks like a tough one. Let's see what happens. On a little passenger, it might find it. Yeah, alright, from there, hard passenger. Straighten out. Don't or you? Right there, yeah, straighten out. Right there. Want the front to climb. It's working. Better. Got a little turned around here myself. And passenger, come for me. Straighten out. You'll be able to drive right out through there. And you'll be able to drive it right out. In the crotch. Between the two rocks.
Try and go hard driver forward. No,
Yeah.
it won't work.
That is.
Should have known. Walks on.